I am Poseidon, god of the sea. A warning to you landlubbers. I gave your boat a name. Never dishonor her.
Changing a boat's name is widely considered the ultimate maritime taboo. According to seafaring legend, every vessel is recorded by name in the ledger of the deep maintained by Neptune, or Poseidon. To change your name without a proper ceremony is seen as an attempt to sneak a vessel past the gods of the sea, inviting misfortune, equipment failure, or foul weather as a penalty for the deception. Here are the purging and renaming rituals to follow. To safely change a name, one must follow a two-part ritual, the purging ceremony and the renaming ceremony. Before the new name is even uttered, every trace of the old identity must be scrubbed. This includes removing vinyl lettering, sanding name boards, and checking logbooks, life rings, and even hidden maintenance tags. Tradition dictates writing the old name on a metal tag or a piece of parchment, then dropping it into the water to dissolve the old identity from Neptune's records. The champagne christening is perhaps the most famous tradition. This involves breaking a bottle of bubbly against the bow. It is vital the bottle breaks on the first try. A stubborn bottle is often interpreted as a sign of a stubborn or unlucky boat. For those who prefer not to damage their hull, pouring a significant portion of wine or spirits over the bow, and sharing a toast with the crew, is a common alternative. An ancient Roman tradition involves placing a gold or silver coin under the mast during construction or stepping. This was believed to provide the crew fare for care and to ferry them across the river Styx should the ship be lost. Traditionally, the boat should be christened while facing the wind or during a rising tide, symbolizing growth and a safe return to port. Whether you are superstitious or simply enjoy the pageantry and a good party, these rituals serve as a meaningful way to build a connection with a vessel before its next journey. Do you have any name-changing rituals? Let us know in the comments below.
Waters weep for what we have lost. A king...
Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.